Every year, India's digital revolution brings millions of new gadgets into our homes and offices. From the latest smartphones to smart home devices, technology is more accessible and integrated into our daily routines than ever before. They connect us, boost our productivity, and entertain us, fundamentally powering our economy, our lives, and our aspirations for a modern future. But this rapid cycle of innovation has a dark side. With product lifespans intentionally shorter than ever, what happens when the device in your hand, once a symbol of progress, becomes obsolete? The staggering truth: India now ranks as the third largest e-waste generator in the world, trailing only China and the United States. We churn out over 3 million tons of electronic trash annually, a figure that has surged by over 70% in just 5 years. This mountain of waste is growing 3 times faster than the country's population. From defunct computers and mobile phones to discarded refrigerators and televisions, this rising tide of digital debris is concentrated in our major metropolitan hubs. Cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bengaluru, Chennai, and Kolkata are the epicenters of this crisis. And yet, the official collection numbers paint a grim picture. It's estimated that less than 22.7% of this massive volume is formally processed. The gap between what we consume and what we safely recycle creates the nation's biggest hidden pollution crisis. Each discarded device is a cocktail of hazardous materials: lead, mercury, cadmium, leaching into our soil and water. It's here, in the shadows of the informal sector, that the real story begins. E-waste is not just trash, it's a toxic cocktail. Inside every device are hazardous heavy metals like lead in circuit boards, mercury in displays, and cadmium in batteries. A single smartphone can contain dozens of elements, many harmful if not handled correctly, turning our old gadgets into silent poisons. When mishandled, these poisons seep into the environment. In India, over 90% of e-waste recycling is done by the informal sector. In sprawling e-waste hubs, entire communities survive on this trade. Driven by poverty, workers, including children, use primitive methods to dismantle our digital debris. They perform crude open burning of cables to recover copper, releasing carcinogenic dioxins. They use bare hands in acid baths to strip away gold. The consequences are dire. Toxic smoke contaminates the air, while acid discharge poisons the water and soil, rendering land barren. This constant, unprotected exposure puts countless lives at risk of cancer, irreversible neurological damage from lead, and kidney failure from cadmium. For these communities, these health impacts are a devastating daily reality. The toxins released are profoundly hazardous, especially for the young. Lead exposure, even at low levels, can permanently lower a child's IQ. Mercury affects brain development in fetuses. We're seeing long-term generational damage, creating a silent public health crisis. It's a vicious cycle where economic necessity trumps environmental safety. The true cost of our digital convenience is outsourced to the world's most vulnerable, who pay the highest price, with their health and their future for our consumption. The journey to responsible e-waste management is far from over. Globally, e-waste is projected to exceed 74 million tons annually by 2030, demanding a shift from a linear take-make-dispose model to a circular one. While laws like India's e-waste management rules and the principle of extended producer responsibility are a vital step, they are only part of the solution. True, lasting change depends on collective action, a unified front where industry leaders champion sustainable design. Policymakers enforce regulations and incentivize green innovation, and ordinary citizens demand better products and take responsibility for their own digital footprint. Imagine a future where every device is designed for disassembly and easy recycling, using standardized parts and clear material labels. Manufacturers embrace not just eco-friendly materials, but also invest in recovering and reusing precious metals from old circuits. Innovative startups can then create new life from old electronics, turning a problem into an opportunity. Across India, promising pilot projects are already lighting the way. Smart collection kiosks in cities like Delhi and Bangalore make disposal convenient. Digital tracking systems using QR codes are being tested to ensure transparency from collection to final processing. And community workshops are empowering local entrepreneurs to join the formal recycling chain, creating green jobs. But the most powerful shift happens at home with our daily choices. Choose to buy durable electronics that can be repaired. Learn basic repairs instead of immediately replacing a device. Support brands with robust take-back programs and consider selling or donating old gadgets to extend their life. Each of us can reduce our e-waste footprint. This change is being nurtured in classrooms, where schools and local organizations are spreading awareness. They are inspiring the next generation to value long-term sustainability over short-term convenience. Together, we can break the toxic cycle, with awareness of the problem, with action from individuals and institutions, and with accountability at every level. A cleaner, safer, and more circular economy isn't just a dream. It's a tangible opportunity for innovation and environmental justice. The power to transform the e-waste crisis lies in our collective hands. Let's build a greener tomorrow, starting today. Our digital future depends on responsible choices today. By closing the loop on e-waste, we protect the environment, safeguard public health, and unlock a valuable resource for a sustainable, circular India.